Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. Now don't forget, we've got those lawn care guides at GCITurfAcademy.com for both cool season and warm season. It'll kind of go into detail, a step-by-step process to help you have a nice yard. Now look, who don't have to step away every now and then, right? You got vacation, business, urgent matters come up. Now I'm not going on a vacation, but I have to take my son up to Philadelphia for his next surgery. So I'm going to be gone 4, 5, 6 days maybe while we're taking care of him up there. Now there's some things I want to do around the yard to prep it so when I come back, I don't have as much on my plate. Now I know a lot of you have asked me about my son and what goes on with him and that kind of thing. So I'm going to talk with my wife, and she and I maybe going to do a video with my son and kind of give you the full details and show you exactly how God has worked in that entire process. So right now we're in the heat of things. Spring is upon us. It's warming up. The grass is growing. I cut it for the first time the other day, and it's actually starting to grow pretty good now. And with me being gone for the next 5 or 6 or 7 days or whatever it might be, I don't want to come back to a hayfield. Now hey, above all things, believe me, I know schedules can get tough. I got a wife, 3 kids, a job, a YouTube channel, an online business, all kind of things that I have to manage, 10 employees. So hey, scheduling can be kind of tough, but there's certain things in the yard you really need to make sure you get done before you take off. Now if you ain't seen my video from the other week, my first mow, go check that out. I'm doing something a little bit different on this mow. I'm putting my Big League Lawn striping roller on. Now to each his own, but man, I'm telling you, in my opinion, there's nothing like a well striped yard. I absolutely love cutting different patterns and designs in my yard and making it stick out like a sore thumb. So look, I've got the same deal I had last year. Go to bigleaguelawns.com. The coupon code will be in the description of this video. They make these rollers for almost any make and model mower. You just go in, pick out your mower, put in the information, put the coupon code in, and get your discount. Hey, as Mr. Allen would say, enjoy the mow. All right, so there you go. Cut up pretty nice. It's looking pretty good right now. Spring's in order. Things are coming to life. So hey, I hope this video was helpful. And let me tell you this, mowing is very important, okay? Your mowing frequency, meaning how often you cut it. That plays a big part in the health of your turf. Springtime, you really want to mow it as often as you can. 2 times a week, every 3rd day, something like that, especially when you have an aggressive grower like tall fescue. You want to try to not cut no more than 1/3 off. Sometimes you may get a little over that, and don't sweat it if you do. You just don't want to be cutting big chunks of it off at a time. So hey, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Keep up with us through the year. We're going to show you a lot of yard stuff, do's and don'ts and hows and whens. Check us out at GCITurfAcademy.com. and get your mowing schedule right. Hey, I almost forgot. Here's our the juice yard, and update. I applied the, see, today is Sunday afternoon, and I applied the nutrient Tuesday afternoon. So that's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's 5 days. What I'm seeing is I am seeing a color change. Okay, it took about 3 or 4 days. We got a little rain on it. It started to come to life a little bit. And I've been reading the comments and learning. Again, I'm brand new to the product. I'm simply trying it out as a standalone product, see how it works, that's all. And I've learned that it's instructed to apply it about every 2 to 3 weeks. So I go out of town with my son for his surgery Tuesday, and so when I get back, maybe Sunday afternoon or Monday afternoon, that'll put us around the 2 to 3 week time period, and I'll hit it again.